Welcome to biology. Today's topic is cells. Here's a picture of a pen. 200 cells could fit on the tip of a pen if you were to look at it under a microscope. The essential question for today, what are cells and what are they made up of? So these are cells throughout your body, nerve cells, muscle cells, blood cells, cells on your stomach, and then cells on your skin. This is an outline of what we'll learn today. The smallest unit of life, the 6 organelles, and then prokaryotic versus eukaryotic. This is white and red blood cells, and then what your cells look like under a microscope when we do our cheek cell lab.
Mommy?
The cell is the smallest unit of life. They are made up of organelles that perform specific functions. So these little guys are the organelles. They're like the little organs of the cell. If you were to take one of these out, that would not be alive. The nucleus would not be alive, but the cell itself is a living thing. The first of the organelles is the nucleus. It holds the DNA. It's kind of like the brains of the cell. It's the central command station. Next is the plasma membrane. It is the outer layer of the cell. It's like the rubber part of a water balloon or the shell of these things. The cytoplasm is the fluidy stuff in the middle of the cell. It's like water. It's kind of has a thicker consistency, like a gel. You sit down. The endoplasmic reticulum is the yellow thing right outside of the nucleus. It is one of the places that proteins are made.
No, my turn to do it.
They are passageways or hallways. It's a continuation of the membrane from the nucleus. The mitochondria's job is energy. It's the powerhouse. We'll call it the mighty, mighty mitochondria. It looks like a blue Cheeto, but it can be different colors and different pictures of cells. The chloroplast is in plants only. It's what makes the plant green, and it's how it takes the energy of the sun and turns it into something that we can use. There are 2 different types of cells. Animal and plant cells have organelles, and they have a true nucleus. Eu means true, so we call those eukaryotic cells. Pro means before, so before there was a true nucleus and true organelles, bacteria cells and other prokaryotic cells just had their DNA and other things hanging out. All right, do your quick check and your Quizlet. Label the parts of the cell that we just talked about. Give a 1 to 2 word definition of what that organelle does. And then what are these small parts of the cell called? What do we call those things? Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great rest of your day.